right, let's do an unboxing. I'm going to attempt to open this as quickly as possible. Here we go. Always try to get these done pretty quick, but... And here it is. We take it out of the wrapper so you can see it better. We go. It is wrapped very nicely. It is a Matfer French crepe pan, carbon steel. So there's nothing really fancy about it if you look at it. No monograms or anything like that from the company. These pans here are really made for like the restaurant business. They're workhorses and it'll pretty much last forever. Let's take a closer look at the pan again. See, there are some like scratches along the edge here, but again, I am not worried about that because this is a workhorse and it's not meant to be like anything really fancy. And with enough use, this pan will blacken just like cast iron. It does have a little heft to it, but it's not too bad. The thing about carbon steel, it's not like stainless steel. It's kind of more like cast iron where you have to season the pan. These carbon steel pans are shipped with a coating on them to prevent them from rusting. And the instructions say to scrub all of the coating off completely and then re-season it. Now I'm going to try to scrub off the coating as best I can, but I did do some research and it is food grade vegetable oil, so I'm not going to really like obsess over getting it completely off. And then when I do season it, I'm going to do it much like you would a cast iron pan. I'm actually going to do it in the oven. And I'll probably do 3 rounds of seasoning like I usually do. All right, thanks for watching, and I will post an update once I season the pan so you can see what it looks like. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.